From the outside, you'd never know that the Weber family has a problem. They simply have too much stuff.
I can never find anything around here.
And the trouble with too much stuff isn't just that it makes it hard to find things. It also has a tendency to create odors.
Leia, clean up this mess and open up a window.
The Webers are overwhelmed by the clutter and don't know how to get out from all their stuff.
I know I gotta get rid of some stuff, but it's hard to let go.
I just can't believe how much stuff we have. It's like we've become hoarders.
We used to have people here all the time, but now it's become embarrassing, and I think the house kind of stinks a bit. I don't know, I need help.
Help is on the way. Professional organizer Kendra Fletcher has been brought in to help the Webers declutter, de-stress, and deodorize their home.
Today I'm here to work with the Weber family. My understanding is they're having some challenges with clutter. I know that clutters can tend to also create odors. I hear you have some problems you want to work on today.
Understatement.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
great.
an understatement.
Well, let's go ahead and get started, take a look around, and see what we can do.
Kendra and Lee Rowan hit every home's hot zone, the kitchen.
This tends to be one of the big hot zones for families where clutter and odors tend to collect. We have some buckets here, keep, let it go,
Okay.
trash, and so this is where we're gonna start pulling stuff off the countertops so that we have space here.
Okay.
After Kendra conquers the kitchen, she and Leah tackled the teens' territory.
It looks like you have a lot of stuff. We're definitely gonna have to go through all of this, and I know a lot of it is probably feels really important to you, but are you willing to like let some stuff go?
Yeah, I'll let some of this go just so it'll look and smell better.
Okay.
And she saves the most controversial room for last.
So Kendra, this here used to be my man cave. Now it's a family cave, but to be honest with you, I'd like it back.
Okay.
Kendra's helped the Webers clean house, but her job's not done just yet.
Decluttering and organizing goes a long way towards making your home look clean and organized. But what people really notice when they first come in the door is the smell. So I like to recommend Renuzit sprays and cones for your home to make it smell great. Comes in a lot of fun scents, and it's gonna make everything really smell fresh and clean.
I can't believe how great the house looks.
I can't believe how great the house smells.
We can finally have guests over again.
It's a completely new house.
Ta-da!